Hello everybody, today I have been given the pleasure to unbox the new Comico professional audio equipment gifted to me by the company itself. It is an RGB cardiac condenser wireless and USB microphone. As you could see, it looks beautiful already just from the unboxing. You could already tell. In the back here, there's a white version and a black version. Today we are gifted the black one. I will be showcasing the features. I will even play a little audio when I connect the mic itself and show you guys what everything sounds like. As you can see here from there's a little USB that comes that you could plug in. Gifted with is a user manual. This is with all the instructions. I'm sure given the USB. Let's just take this out really quick. Here we go. This is the USB. They have it wrapped as well with their brand on top. Also given the comical cover, you could place this on top of the microphone, which I'll be showing you. This right here, this is a little handle, so it doesn't make your microphone slip. And then this is the attachment that you will be installing to the table. You could obviously adjust it, as you can see right here with this metal rod. Simply by adjusting it, you put it on the table, fit any goddamn table itself right here. Again, I did get the black version. Here it is. Here you can move it up, you can move this down, move it up, depending on how you like it. Microphone itself right here looks beautiful, looks dandy. This is where the USB would go, right here to charge it. In the front right here, this is the RGB settings for the LED lights. And then this is the wired and wireless versions. And then a little audio output, depending on how loud or quiet you want the sound quality to be. It's here. Simply by taking this out and connecting it, which I will be showing you how to momentarily. Here it is. You will connect this and this to each other and you'll be able to play everything while having the audio output. But that is pretty much everything inside the box. I love how it comes with all this structure right here, keeping everything safe, which I do in fact love. So yeah, that is a thumbs up for Comico. I also love the fact that this is used by, I think, 3,000 different streamers out there. It's a really impressive mic. I love the wireless feature. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get into the features and let's actually get into showcasing the product. All right, everybody, I have everything connected here. Here it is right in front of you. I've even plugged in a cable. All you have to do is simply hold the power button right in front of here. And when that turns on, you will see this go blue, and then here is the LED lights. There's three different kinds. There is this really rapid one, a slow heartbeat one, and then here is the final one, blue and green, and then here's the rapid one again. You can set it to whatever you like, whatever fits your mood. Here's as well the cover. By simply bringing this up a little bit, what you're going to do, it depends on whatever you like, but you will get this right here. You will snap it on from the top, and then snap it in from the bottom. There you go. You're gonna snap it in. Here it is, the cover's right in front of you. You can move it to however you want. As well, this is what you'll be connecting to the table, which I will be connecting momentarily. But depending on how large or small your table is, you could either lower it or you could higher the amount of size you want in between. And here is what the actual mic will be standing on. You will connect it right here, as you can see. This goes within here, and this part is going to go right here, as you can see. So I'll be connecting it, I will be showing you the audio quality, and we will be ending the video with this brand new Comico mic. So please give me a second and let's get into it. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have the mic connected here. I'm not too sure what you guys are hearing right now, but there is an audio output in the back right here. If you want to hear yourself, imagine if you're doing a podcast, you could put on headphones so the opposite person can hear you. But here's how everything sounds. If I want to higher the mic gain, as you could see, my mic is higher. If I mute this, there you guys wouldn't hear me anymore. There was really no reason to talk because it would be muted. But here's how everything sounds. Let me just lower the mic gain a little bit. This is how everything sounds. It looks beautiful. Everything is neat about it. I can move wherever I want. It's a perfectly dandy object, an amazing product at an affordable price with different types of RGB. Everything is perfect about it. If I had to, I will be making a video with this probably every single time, but I do highly recommend this. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and you all have a phenomenal day. Here is to Comica. Thank you.